ZCC Pastor burns slay wife with boiling tea for drinking ZCC tea. Without wearing a doek, turban/head wrap. ZCC Pastor got very furious when he saw wife disrespecting their belief, when she drank their holy tea, which is called moabalo, without a doek on her head and something to cover her neck. Apparently the slay wife was even using a straw to drink the holy anointed tea by AKHONA. According to ZCC Church doctrine, women are not allowed to drink their holy tea standing up without a doek on their head, something to cover their neck, and wearing trousers or shorts. The pastor is facing legal charges. He is charged with assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm and attempted murder. The wife is getting quality treatment at a hospital which we have not yet confirmed, and the husband remains in custody and will appear in magistrate court tomorrow morning. Efforts to get comments from the church leader were not fruitful as their phone kept on ringing without an answer. More details to follow shortly.